In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. Navigating through a virtual presentation can be daunting, but with the right tools and a few simple steps, you'll be a pro in no time. Whether you're hosting a conference, teaching a class, or collaborating with team members, Teams provides a seamless way to share your PowerPoint slides with your audience. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and logging into your account. If you don't already have an account, setting one up is straightforward, and Microsoft provides plenty of resources to help you get started. Once logged in, the next step is to create or join a meeting. Navigate to the Calendar tab on the left pane of Teams. Here, you'll find the options to either schedule a new meeting or enter an existing one. If it's a recurring event, joining becomes even easier since you can just click on the calendar event directly. Now that you are in the meeting, look at the meeting toolbar along the top of your screen and find the Share button. This button is the gateway to sharing your content. Clicking it will open a menu where you'll see various sharing options. For PowerPoint presentations, direct your attention to the PowerPoint Live section. Here, you'll be able to see recent PowerPoint files or browse through your device to find the file you want to present. Select the file and your slides will load, ready for you to present them to your meeting participants. To elevate your presentation experience, consider using the Presenter mode. This option is particularly useful if you choose to share your entire screen. Presenter mode enables you to see your current slide, the upcoming slide, and any notes you've added. It's a great way to keep your thoughts organized without the audience seeing your notes. Additionally, Presenter mode lets you feel more connected with your content, offering a smoother presentation flow. Don't forget to utilize the built-in annotation tools such as the laser pointer, highlighter, or pen. They can help you emphasize key points on your slides and engage your audience more effectively. These tools are easily accessible in the presentation view and can make your delivery dynamic and interactive. Just hover over your slides, and the annotation tools should appear at the bottom. Lastly, adding notes to your presentation can be an invaluable support in keeping everything on track. When creating your PowerPoint file, use the Notes section to jot down key points, questions to ask, or additional information you may want to remember to share. These notes will be visible only to you during presenter mode, serving as an excellent reference while you navigate through your slides. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're well equipped to present your PowerPoint slides confidently in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy presenting!